everyone! Nandito naman ang Bisaya, and this video, I'm going to bring you to Bad Swishanan. We were going to explore the place. Ayan, we are traveling by bus. So we have bus tour today, so let's go! So, nandito na tayo sa town nila. So, nakikita nyo, very clean, very neat ang town. So, a lot of green. Diba? So, it's my first time to visit in this place. So, hopefully, magandang lugar. But, I'm sure it's really nice. Kasi tingnan nyo, napaka-clean ng town. Although, it's not a big city, guys. But, I'm sure it's very nice to explore here. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Bad Swishanan. Yan, napakaganda ng mga bulaklak. So, we were going to explore this town. Kasi first time ko din dito. Ito pala guys, open air museum pala yan. Siya yung park na yan. So, walang bayad. So, pwede kayong mag-explore dito. May mga history kasi yung mga bahay-bahay na old houses na yan. So, pwede kayong mag-explore about that houses. And maganda din siya pag titingnan. The only thing that I really love, I'm in love with this windmill, diba? I'm in love with this windmill. Tingnan nyo guys, very old windmill. Napakaganda. Hindi ko kasi akalain na may windmill pala dito sa direct sa park area. Diba? Ayan. Hindi na kami pumasok doon guys. Kasi parang close yata. Ito yung another house. You can explore what kind of house is that. Pwede nyo magbabasa-basa kasi marami kasi mga old houses na parang may history na. So you can explore and learn about. Ang napakaganda din dito kasi may sa parang boulevard. Ayan. Pwede kayong sasakay niyan sa sa isang ship na yan. Then itutour kayo doon sa malayo. Kaya lang hindi na kami sumasakay, wala nang time. So dito na lang kami sa park, naglalakad-lakad. Napakaganda ng weather. So very nice weather. And ayun, magaganda. Ayan, kumain kami ng mother-in-law ko kasi nagugutom na kami. Wala pa kami lunch. So makain kami. And then we were in the town looking for some shops. Ayan, gagala kami. Ayan, magala kami ng mother-in-law. So, a little bit lang kami nandoon. And then again, we go walking again. Nag-enjoy sa park. Nag-explore. Marami palang tao, no? Diba? Ayan, maraming palang tao to. Ayan, maraming nag-drive. May talaga ganun. Ayan lang siya. Hindi siya dagat ha. Parang lake siya guys. Hindi siya dagat. Lake siya. Pero ang laki ng lake. Diba? So, ayan. So guys, dito lang tayo magtatapos and see you next time in my video. Bye everyone and God bless. Bye!